Welcome to our channel. Today we'll guide you through a simple step-by-step process on how to add an email to your Gmail account on your PC, especially with the latest updates. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to gmail.com. Log in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're in your Gmail inbox, look for the gear icon in the top right corner of the page. This icon represents your settings. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. Next, select See All Settings from the drop-down. This will take you to the full settings page where you can customize various aspects of your Gmail. Now, find and click on the Accounts and Import tab. Once you're there, look for Other Google Account Settings and click on it to continue. You'll be directed to your Google Account settings here. Click on Personal Information located in the left-hand menu. This section is where you'll manage your email and other personal details. Now, find your email address listed and scroll down to the Add Recovery Email option. This feature helps keep your account secure. Once you click on Add Recovery Email, you'll need to enter your current Gmail password for verification. After typing in your password, click Next. Next, enter the recovery email you wish to add. Once you've typed it in, click Verify. Google will then send a verification link to that email. Lastly, check your recovery email for the verification message. Click on the link in the email, and you're all set. And that's it. You've successfully added a recovery email to your Gmail account. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.